Commissioners! This person testified.
The guy who testified, why are they arresting him?
So much. It couldn't say that much. It couldn't say that much.
This man.
Why are you arresting people who are testifying?
What's wrong? Amapholisa asebophe ujaha wabantu bonke ade betestifya sebethenga botsha namapholisa. Ngimele umsakazo westudio 7 wobulawayo ngingu Anastasia Ndlovu.